Semoja mshishi. Mnandi. Nani. Sure mfethu so ngizile fanda ku training session yenu ne after nine i-tournament, Easter tournament enkulu. So what comes behind the gama lama ninja?
Ntona ama-ninja ligama ngathi ligama lithe sabonisana nabajitayo njengosilana sijima sabonisana ukuthi hayi leli gama leli kahle lapho iqala khona ithi ngiyiqale phansi njalo lapho iqala khona nje yami iyimlogazini no siloko sithoina ama tournament ama top 8 ne la eKasi yabo so ukazini uze negama elithi ama Palestina mina ngaza ngegama elithi ama ninja so masiloko sijoina uninja uzama abajidi yabona uye organizer uyohlanganisa uninja ukazini uye masithoine ngama Palestina ukazini ohlanganisayo yabona so lapho sabona lama ninja lilo lwinayo yabona lilo lenza izinto lezenzeke yabona laqala kanjalo savotilana amajeni saphuma
nelogama so since in tournament after ilento le there was ama talks amabhaya khulumile in which is maybe angesikhulume ngawo manje so since namhlanje ngibona nidlala iRwanda so what was behind the Rwanda today?
No sifuna yazifanda ne decide ukuthi namhlanje shaya nje iRwanda sifuna kuyile ukufunda ukudlala under high pressing yabona sikhona ukuphuma and we are preparing for tournament esiyodlala this coming weekend this Sunday
so I'm a combination play this week so
I'm a combination play
so there's no high in Tonton this week basically no so we're prepared
so prepared and
so because okay no tournament so the pressure against Nina maybe saying negama because of we just won the Easter tournament and I guess it was a big tournament in we join
wena nje yami yazi ukuza lapho no ipressure no thina sina pressure sina pressure nje yami lesine pressure before manje sesina something asina pressure yibo abane pressure thina sina pressure
okay siyabonga so you captain of the team right
captain of the team ukhethi no Thabisa
sure so when what are you in the team you player now
una player
chairman izo zonke
player yithi
na
player nje yami
ngiyabonga nemfethu
sure nje yami thank you